Hi, it's me, the real Simon. Join here back with another video, and it's my video corrupted for tornado survival episode 1. So basically, tornado survival episode 1, I got some stuff done. I gave me swan eggs. What type of swan eggs still? Place them down. They're part of the tornado mod. Yes, and a little tornado spinning thing. It spins faster than lightning. I don't know. This is taking like forever to look. Gotta be patient, dude. Yo, what is patient? I'm working on a house. Why? Beautiful. Psych! It's so. Yeah, but I might have lost. I might have thrown away my things. Well, coal and my furnace, whatever. And lost some iron. Raw iron. So I still have some iron technically. And that's good. Basically, I'm corrupted. I placed out tornado siren. Solve radar button. Are these wings new? Yeah, I'm gonna have to give myself a different one. Okay. I'm trying to locate a house from, post underscore because, he's out an exception. Ooh. Well, basically, this is episode 2, storm chasing. Yeah. I can spam the door. Nope. Spam the door. Yeah! Ah. Yeah. And wheeze. What the heck? What the heck is this? Mental expiration. Mental expiration. Okay, what is... Yeah, stay right there. Stay right there, Denmark. I accidentally placed something incorrectly on. Yeah, it was supposed to be this. I was supposed to be on like the roof or something. You heard me right. The roof. and another one I kind of forgot about. Yeah, no, I totally forgot about. It's the neometer. No, it's aneometer.
Stop lying!
Wait, it's an anemometer.
Stop lying to me!
I'm stupid. I didn't ask for.
Jason, put away the door!
No. No. It's a sensor. Oh, but in reality, it's just called sensor items. And it looks like this. Is it good? No, 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 no. It isn't. I don't even know what it does. Is it useless? Is it worthful? I don't know. Plus, what does that rare do? Okay. I keep doing random stuff. Bruh. It already has an aneometer, so I'm gonna go to that. Sensor, I think, yeah. Yeah, so.
Stand bed.
No. Even though I don't even live in Brandira, Indonesia, I find it funny for some reason. Like, why would you have a tornado mod and have a stream? Why would you have a tornado mod and literally have a Brandira, Indonesia flag, even though I don't live there? What? Anyways, beautiful. Doesn't do anything. Useless. Useless, I think. However, useful. Funny. I do. Useful. You tell me when tornado come. Bruh. Is that a creeper? Oh, I thought it was a snow creeper. And what do I mean by snow creeper? I have a mod mini creepers. I just don't have it on this world. Don't believe me, look. No. What? There's even a global resource for this what? And I can't access it? Where is it? Not that. see many creepers. Oh, wait, what? What is this warning? Okay, I might as well refresh it. Refresh. I don't care. That's a warning or not. But global resources will never, ever let you put it on. So wanna know something I'm gonna do? I am gonna add global resource. Are you kidding me? On top of your global packs. Oh yeah, sure. Look, 15.9 MB. What? 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 Huh? Yeah, sure. There's a warning. Sure, there's a warning. Warnings? What? What is a stupid warning again? Like I'm deleting it. Silly game. But for real though. Oh yeah, I need a copy of the world or something. Lose. Okay. Be right back, guys. I'm gonna continue making the house. Alright, guys. I got some stuff, to make the thing. I got a lot. There's are expensive. Experience that here. I never experienced that. Yep. Oh my gosh, dude. Gosh. Come on, please don't fall off. I'm kind of good at placing stairs. Okay, I placed that correctly. Thank goodness. I swear if that watering garden gets into my home, then I'm going to move them. Anyways, I go back down. It was not even feeling that something's like wrong. I do not see that. Nope. I do not see him. Okay, yes. No. Oh, thank you for not falling away into the abyss of darkness. And I stuck even, though it is even. And what's on there? 10. How did I? Did I? No, I did. What? Yo, that is literally equal. What? How is that? What? No, that's stupid. Bro, why is it like that? I hate it like that, bro. Oh, you're nothing but the rage dog. Anyway. Boom! Lovely. Yes! That's how it's supposed to be like. Then here. I can get it correct. Come on, tell me. Yes! I got it! Right? Yep, I did! No. Come on. Oh, I almost got it. I did. Bro, how many times is it gonna do that? Do I do it like? Why is it so hard? Literally, all I want. So, all I want. In fact, you know, I found out the reason, and I'm stupid for it too. Wow. No, I think my nose is bleeding. What? No, it isn't. Not a big bleeding. In the middle of tornado survival. No! At least I got it back. Anyway. Alright, guys. Yeah, I got that finished. So, you think I'm doing that, right? Yeah, no. I'm pretty excited. No, time for bed. I'm like a block away from the bed and it's too far. Like, what am I gonna do? Land my head on the bed nicely, but die? Oh, come on, Neil. Oh, I thought I was about to fall there. I can do it. Alright. Gonna stop at that middle point. Why? Cause it's a 3.9. Yeah, this is the style I was going for, bruh. These classic roof style. Where'd I get this really good style from? Gosh, let me score. I have an idea. What if I do this? No one will ever know. Is it a friction off? Is it a friction off? It is, in fact, a friction off. Don't care, won't care. Anyway. Whee! Get oofed. Not really getting oofed. But I don't know why that was so laggy. Like, it was just so random, like, lag. No! Let's see about water eyes. What? Yo, I cannot hear a single thing. Yeah, I'm not hearing anything right now. All I'm hearing is like plain silent. If there's like a, I'm not gonna hear it. It's gonna be like. And continue. No. Oh, probably. No! I hate mistakes like that. Still, I almost fell off. Almost falling off was a mistake. But no, let's cut to the point. This is long. Yes. Got rid of like a cavity or something.
Sam, we need to clean your room.
I'm recording a video, jeez. Plus it's night. About to go to bed. It's nighttime. So, and I'm recording, so I don't know what to do. It scared me so bad. I was gonna die. I'm not gonna. Yes. Yes. Anybody can do that with you. You just gotta feel it in your heart. Alright. Yeah. Yo, this is fire. Fire roof. 10 out of 10 roof here. This is a really cool roof I'm going for. I haven't done this type of roof yet. Especially in survival. Oh no. I got more! Yay! And if it's not enough, then I want to kill myself. I'm just kidding. No, if it's not enough, then I'm just gonna go and get more. Cause this is like more than a stack already. Like 2 stack. Yeah, 2 like, it's like 2 whole stacks, yeah. Whoa! I love it. That's Poland, right? No, it isn't. 85%. I'm not gonna look at that. Okay. Well, I got the best roof. No, I don't. I got the smallest first. Well, if you like my roof, like and subscribe. Or if you're watching the video, like and subscribe. Or like and subscribe. Take the red pill, you have to subscribe. Take the blue pill, you have to subscribe. And if you take the green pill, secret one, so secret that you also have to subscribe. Yeah. Just trying to find a way to distract myself. For being idiotic. Bro. Come on. Hurry up with this. Hurry up with this. Oh no, this is not gonna be enough. Bro. This is not gonna be enough. Get 3! I will do the one thing right now. Well, work for today's over. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, that is so literally good. That is like worthful. Rob top, if you're seeing this, rate my levels. For real. But no, I'm gonna just add this here. So it's basically 1 square for this. Not that. Get out of here. That's not the one I wanted. I need to get that spot again. Guys, I think it was the radar defector spawning. tell me this is the right one. I keep forgetting that's a radar defector. No. I killed. What? 5 damage, 4 damage. What are the 4 damage, 3, 5 damage, 5 damage. What are the odds? There is no odds. Cause look how stupid this is. Why use this or this? Like Minecraft, but let's have 4 or something. Cause this is like 5 stronger than this, and this is somehow 5 damage. I do not get the logic of that. Come on. I'm scared. Sensor, I guess. Got the right one finally. Let's try him. Okay, yep. I expected that. 60. Dang, that's a lot. It's an aniometer. It's an aniometer. It's an anemometer. No. This is it! Yo, why are you dying, bro? Are you... Alright, guys. I just got some more right now. But I'd rather go to sleepy because, you know, I stand 1 block away. 2 blocks away. If I stand 1 block away. That's not 1 block away. This is where? 1 block away. That's too far away. Like what what sense does that make, bro? Alright. Bro. Wee. Okay, why do I keep saying damage for that? I really need to have one more. You know, sometimes I just hate when that happens. No! When Mike equals 1 rip for poor stair. That's not going to be used. At all. He worked so hard to become a stair. And he really wanted to be on the roof. But he would never be on the roof. Now his dreams have been crushed. Yay. He'll never be on the roof. Reserved spot. This extra one that I got is now equipped. The one that wanted to be on it is currently equipped. He got on it instead. Yeah, I was joking. Of course he got on it. Of course. Gotta let him. Yeah! A lot more work to do. Yo, what's... I was wondering what that noise was. My... Oh no. It's Goon. It's Goon! My house is alright, right? It's like I knew it. It doesn't... I can't get picked up by it. The mod failed my soul. By a mod, by a lot. And it's not even hitting, bro. This is the worst Ep2 I've ever... I just realized it was an Ep2. Name? Oh, it's name. Don't. Nope. I don't feel bad for y'all at all. Y'all kind of deserve that, little mobs. Kind of glad it didn't actually hit. Because if it did, I would. Anyways, guys, that's gonna be it for today's video.
If you like the video, then please make sure to like and subscribe. It's a lot of it.
Alright, people, though. Anyways, bye, guys. See you in the next episode. Bye. Of course, I never cut this part out, but I always go to the recording app and